Choose life. Choose the new best model every week. Choose $20 here, $30 there.
Just to get one good 5-second clip.
Choose your future. But why would I want to do a thing like that? Everyone is doing it. But here's the problem. You usually need 10 different subscriptions, a supercomputer, and a degree in prompting. Until now. This is Higgsfield, the only platform that combines every top-tier AI model all under one roof. I'm Adil from Higgsfield, and in this video, I'm giving you the only guide you need to master it all. Throughout the video, I will also rank the models based on which ones top creators are using right now. And make sure to stick around till the end for a little surprise. Welcome to the new standard of creating. Let's dive in. When you first enter the website, you land on the Explore page. The real magic happens in the top navigation bar. Think of this as your cockpit. We start with images. Think of models like hiring different artists. Before you type a single word, look at the bottom panel. This is where you control your canvas. Toggle aspect ratio here. Choose 16:9 for YouTube or cinematic shots, and 9:16 if you're making vertical content for TikTok or Reels. You can also select the quality of your output and how many images you want generated at once. Now, back to the models. Oh, and a pro tip, if you see a model marked unlimited, use that for testing so that you don't burn any credits. So, this is a Higgsfield native model that generates ultra-realistic fashion visuals. This is your go-to when you need perfect faces. Nano Banana Pro. This is your heavy hitter. It has a crazy smart LLM under the hood, which in simple terms means that it doesn't just generate, it actually thinks. It follows logic better than anything else. Z-Image. Use this one for fast and cheap generations. I highly encourage you to try them all out to see which one fits best for your specific use case. Now, let's rank all the models based on how often they're being used by top creators on our website. Soul, A tier. Fantastic for ultra-realistic fashion and UGC content. GPT Image and Nano Banana, C tier. These are good for many tasks, but aren't exceptional. C Dream 4.5, A tier. Great consistency when it comes to faces, and overall great graphics. Flux 2 Pro, B tier. Solid and reliable performer, but falls short compared to the models in S and A tier. Reeve, D tier. Mostly used for graphic design tasks. Z-Image, D tier. Fast generations, but can't upload images for references. Kling 1 Image and 1.2 Image have really narrow use cases, so they're going to the E tier. Nano Banana Pro, easily S tier. I'm sure most of you have heard of this model, even if you don't know much about AI. It's great at following prompts, has a deep knowledge of historical and real-life data, and renders text better than anything else on the market. Once you have your images, you might want to tweak a thing or two. That's where editing tools come in. Inpaint. If you love an image, but AI gave your character 6 fingers, don't reroll, just use Inpaint. Brush over the hand, type hand with 5 fingers, and fix it instantly, Relight. This allows you to change the lighting color and direction of your existing shots. With this, you could get the perfect ambiance and mood that you're looking for. Instadump. Instantly generate a ton of images of yourself from one selfie. Photodump. Same idea as Instadump, but since the input is Soul ID, you get way more consistent results. FaceSwap. Exactly what it sounds like. Upload a face you want to insert, and the image where it should be inserted. And the face will be swapped with no prompts. Now for the main event. This is where most people get stuck. And here's the #1 trick that beginners miss. Image to video workflow. Take the image we just made in the previous step and click Animate. Text to video is helpful when you want to quickly generate something and don't need a whole lot of control over the result, but the image to video will give you the most consistent output. Kling 2.6. It gives you the cleanest looking videos with the most control over the camera and realism. Sora 2 for viral, short, punchy clips. And it's very realistic. Veo and Cdance, the immersion kings. If you need human emotions and speech, these are your go-tos. Now, onto the video model rankings, where S tier is versatile models that excel in everything, with E-tier models having really narrow use cases or noticeable issues. Seedance 1.5 Pro. Great at generating human emotions and dialogue, but it has a hard time generating new environments when the camera moves. So it's going in the B tier. Veo 3.1. A tier. Great realism and audio quality. Minimax High-Lua 2.3. C tier. Overall, a decent model, but nothing outstanding compared to the models above. Kling 2.6. S tier. This is your go-to model for pretty much every use case. Wan 2.6. D tier. Has very narrow use cases and isn't very reliable. Sora 2. S tier. The gold standard for physics simulations and consistency, although within the S tier, I would place it slightly below Kling because it doesn't allow you to upload human faces for reference and is on the pricier side compared to the other models. And each one comes with presets that let you generate videos without any prompts. To access them in the Create Video tab, click Change. On the top, you pick the model, and on the bottom, the presets. But what happens if the video is almost perfect, but you need to fix a mistake or control the movement? This is where the editing tools come in. I bet you've seen these impressive effects on your favorite artists' videos. Well, now you can recreate them too using Mixed Media Studio. It's a tool for music video and content creators to make your clips more stylish and vibrant. It comes with over 20 curated presets, and each one can be fully customized to your taste. Kling 01 Edit. You just upload the video you want to edit and make the changes using reference images or just text. No more regenerating from scratch just to change a detail. Kling Motion Control. This is for the directors. If you're struggling to get the subject movement or camera control you want, just upload a reference video to copy its movement. Now that you've mastered how your subject moves, we need to solve who they are. The biggest problem with AI, random faces. This is where Soul ID comes in. Upload photos of yourself or a character you generated. We recommend at least 20 images from a bunch of different angles. In minutes, Higgsfield learns that face, and now you can put that exact same person in a spacesuit, a tuxedo, or a cyberpunk city. If you want to be an AI influencer, this is mandatory. And if you don't want to use your face, AI Influencer Studio comes to the rescue. It allows you to generate characters from scratch and customize every little detail, just like in games. For a deeper breakdown of this feature, check out this video on our channel. Want to hire a film crew to shoot a huge project? We got you. Go to Higgsfield Cinema Studio. This isn't just a filter. You can select specific cameras, lenses, aperture, and focal length. There's tons of unique camera lens combos that would be incredibly expensive and or impossible in real life. For a deeper breakdown of this feature, check out this video on our channel. If all of that sounded like too much work, just go to the Apps tab. These are one-click templates that don't require any prompts. Transitions. Create seamless transitions between any two shots. Recast. Swap out the character in any video in seconds. Shots. Get 9 unique cinematic shots from a single image. And there's lots more to play around with here. If you want to recreate a viral trend you saw on the internet, we probably have an app for it. Your asset library is where all your wins and failures live. You can sort them by type and organize them in folders. On the Explore page, you can also find projects created by our users. You have the option to clone all the project assets and recreate it yourself. Same vibe with the Community tab. You can get inspired by the best generations from your fellow creators. I know you still have questions, so let's do a quick rapid fire round. When should you use references? If you want a specific composition, don't rely just on text. Drag in a reference image. What are keyframes? Think of them as your anchors. The start frame is where the video begins, and the end frame is where it must finish. The AI will generate the rest. Number 1 advice for beginners: iteration is key. You might not get the perfect result on the first try. Just tweak the prompt slightly or simplify it and rerun. Or make the necessary changes using editing tools. We've covered a lot today, but I want to leave you with one final thought. For the last 100 years, creativity was limited by budget. If you didn't have $1 million, you couldn't make a sci-fi movie. If you didn't have a studio, you couldn't shoot a fashion campaign. That barrier is gone. We just handed you the keys to a production studio that fits in your browser. So my question isn't, can you use AI? It's, how are you going to express yourself with it? And to help you get started, we're giving away 3 ultimate plans. To enter, comment down below what is the first thing you are going to create with Higgsfield? And as always, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.